Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on online courses with Udemy, full guide step by step clearly. To save money on online courses with Udemy, start by visiting the Udemy website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Make sure you're logged in to access personalized offers. Browse the course catalog to find subjects of interest. Take note of any courses that catch your eye. Check for current discounts on the homepage or under the Deals section. Sign up for Udemy's newsletter for exclusive promotions and updates. Follow Udemy on social media platforms to stay informed about flash sales. Consider using coupon codes available from online resources or forums. Compare prices across similar courses to find the best deal. Look for free courses to explore new skills without any cost. If you're a first-time user, purchase introductory courses to maximize savings. Utilize the Udemy mobile app for special app-only discounts. Keep an eye on seasonal sales, where courses can be significantly discounted. Review the course ratings and testimonials to ensure quality before purchasing. Check the course preview videos to gauge your interest. Take advantage of Udemy's 30-day money-back guarantee if the course doesn't meet your expectations. Plan your purchases strategically by waiting for major sales events. Consider bundling courses for additional savings or promotions. Remember to read through the course description and curriculum thoroughly before deciding. By following these steps, you can effectively save on online courses with Udemy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.